I clean the rooms. I clean the 4th floor, which is the coronavirus floor. The 4th floor is pretty much full every day, and they can take 36 patients, and almost every day it's 36. And then when that person gets discharged, then there's probably one waiting to get back up here. The normal discharge room that isn't an isolation room takes around 23 minutes. They're now taking 30 to 40 minutes because we're washing walls, we're making sure everything is thoroughly disinfected. I was a little nervous in the beginning just because we didn't know, a whole lot about it. But now it's gotten to be the norm. There are a lot of patients. It is really full. Just take precautions out there. Wash your hands, wear your mask. Try to protect yourself. Yeah, and the nursing staff up here is amazing. They really are. And I know they're tired, they're exhausted, but they do a great job.